In this huge private backyard, whether you're grilling, chilling, relaxing, or playing games, you can do all that back here in this fantastic Hawks Landing estate home in Plantation, Florida. That is why this is going to be my splash deal of the week. Here we are in Hawks Landing, one of my favorite neighborhoods in all of South Florida. This is Chad Bishop with the Chad Bishop Group. You ready to take a look? Come with me. Look how high these ceilings are. I feel like I have to yell just so you can hear me. Look at the view. Floor to ceiling windows, pool, privacy, waterfront, everything that you want in a great room with a great view. When I get to stand in this corner of the kitchen, all I see is glass, window, view. Everything was updated in the last year. Sub-zero fridge, gas. Look how beautiful the sink is. No kitchen would be without a drink and wine fridge. Oh, sorry guys, I got a little comfortable here. I'm chilling out here in the family room. One of those rooms with glass and windows all around me, and I just feel like I have to say, Dad, pass the brownies. Welcome to the primary bedroom. Would you like to go towards the bathroom or the sleeping space? Let's go bathroom first. You walk in, look how beautiful the ceilings are. If you're anything like me, having two sinks is a must. And a jacuzzi tub. There's two closets. Hers and his. We're gonna check out his because hers is locked. Even for a guy's closet, it is so big. The ceiling has layers and layers of depth. It's gonna make you feel like you're the king and queen of your own castle. And don't forget, more views of the water. This room just makes me feel like I should be traveling. Another seating room, no TVs, just to enjoy your family or a good book. Whether you're covered by a lanai, eating and drinking, not getting bit by bugs, or whether your fancy is Dr. Pepper or bubbly, you can have anything in this lanai. Whether you have to work on your cornhole game, grillin' chillin', or sitting in the water because of the hot Florida weather, this estate backyard is one of the best places to be. This Hawks Landing estate will be my splash deal of the week.